Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to share a haul that I did with recently on ProFusion.com. So I did mention to you guys in previous videos that I am on a no-buy, which I am for myself. However, I went on to ProFusion and seen that they had a lot of great deals going on, and there was an additional % off, and they had some items on sale as well for almost nothing. And so I thought, you know what, I love ProFusion. You guys know that. Those have been following me for some time know that one of my absolute favorite brands for affordable products is ProFusion. And you can find ProFusion on the ProFusion website, excuse me. Target.com. Some items you can find at Walmart as well. But it's not like a huge variety of items. And also Amazon. And they are very, very affordable. So I was on there browsing, and they had a lot of items on sale for very reasonable prices, as well as with the discount that I had on top of that. And so I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and pick up some products for future giveaways to have in my collection for that, because it's such a great buy and I couldn't pass it by. I did go ahead and get myself a couple of items, and the only reason I did that is because it was a gift from my husband for Valentine's Day. So he initially wanted to get me an Ulta gift card, which would have not messed up my no-buy or anything, because it would have been a gift from him, but he didn't get around to doing it because of work and everything. So a couple items I did get to choose for myself from him. However, I am still on the no-buy, so therefore, I cannot buy anything for myself. It's almost been a month now. I know that I did upload a haul recently, but that was a haul that I did. I told you guys in that video, it was stuff that I had been hanging on to. It was a very small haul. That was the last time I actually purchased anything for myself. So I just wanted to quickly share with you guys. I wasn't going to do this video, but then I thought you guys probably would like to hear some of the awesome things they have on ProFusion. Like I said, they are very affordable. If you do sign up, usually they will send you a 10% off or 15%, somewhere around there, discount code. And they also have the Afterpay, which you can break it up in 4 installments. So this is the first time that I've ever received or ordered from ProFusion. I usually will go to Target or Amazon and get products. Comes in this really nice box. All right, really nice black sleek box, and when I open it up, it tells me it has the sheet that has the items, the quantity, and then it has this really cute card from them, very fancy with the black. It just says inspiring the aspiring artist, and it just talks a little bit about the company. It says here that they are cruelty-free and exclusively made for all. They have long-wearing formulas. Their makeup can be mastered. It says ProFusion Cosmetics has mastered the art of makeup and are changing the game when it comes to quality palettes at an affordable prices. We're dedicated to innovating and perfecting each product from concept to creation to ensure that all collections meet the needs and desires of our customer. I do agree with that. I do feel like their quality is very, very good for very affordable prices. All right, so when I open the box, the first thing that I see here is these little ProFusion mini eyes sets. I ordered 2 to have for, like I said, future giveaways. I got one in Twinkle and one in Dazzle. So it has a mascara and then a sparkling eye topper. I got one in more of a silvery tone and one more in a gold. That is what they look like. Really cute, and it looks like they're like ornaments. Maybe this was from the Christmas collection. I'm not sure. They were on sale. So I just ordered those 2. I probably should have got more for you guys, but I just did one of each to have in my collection, giveaway collection for you guys. I want to say these were a couple dollars, I think, each. And then I ordered, let me open this other one real quick. I ordered 4 of their shadow quads. I think I ordered 4. And these were around $2 or something each. They come with 4 shadows. Very good deal. And hopefully you guys are not bothered by, I know some people would say, oh, you know, bothered by the pricing amount. But I think a deal is a deal, and if you're going to get free products, it really doesn't matter the price. I'm that person. If someone were to go on ProFusion and provide me with all sold items or clearance items from ProFusion's website as a giveaway prize, I would be completely happy. It doesn't matter the amount that is paid, whether it's high or low. I'm just thankful, and I'm sure hopefully everybody else is that way as well, that it's not about the amount or how much is paid, but just the item itself. Okay, so I got a mini emeralds. That is what it looks like. So pretty. I got a mini mauves. A mini sapphires. And then a mini violet. So I got 4 of them, but I think there was 6 total. I did get 2 lip duals. These are the matte lip creams with the matte lip liner in the color Imagine. They're both the same. I love their lip duals. I do have some already in my collection, and they are really nice. All right, and then I picked up, now these are 2 of the items for myself. Like I said, it was a gift for Valentine's for my husband. I love the way they wrap everything so nicely. It's packaged so tightly, so good, with plenty of bubble wrap. I mean, you cannot go wrong with that. I appreciate that very, very much. These are the 20th anniversary glitter palettes from ProFusion. This is in the rose, I believe, is the color of this one. They consider it as rose. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a real pretty pink with rose gold on it. And then this is what the shades look like. You guys know that I am a big, big fan of glitter palettes. And I'm hoping that these are as good as the ColourPop ones. I'm super excited, and I thought that was a nice, something nice to have in my collection. This is considered the gold. Looks like that, cream with the gold writing. These were $10 a piece, or you can get 2 for $17.80, almost $18. And that's the colors. They're absolutely beautiful. The pans are huge. Definitely don't need to buy any glitters anytime soon, that's for sure. $13, and like I said, you can get a discount on it. This is what the palette looks like. It's called the Love Struck palette. It's just an absolutely beautiful palette. It has, man, this sucker is complete. It was wrapped really good. Now they have tape on it. I mean, I have to say, their packaging is legit. And how they, you know, do everything. So it's called Love Struck. It does have a sheet in here that says all of the names of the shade, which is pretty good and pretty nice. These are definitely some vibrant colors, lots of pinks, a couple of blues, a lot of neutrals, some purples. I kept trying to resist this, and I was just like, I have to have it. And so when I was able to get it for Valentine's Day, I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and get this one. I love ProFusion shadows. I have not been disappointed with their shadows. You cannot beat this for $13. Where can you get a palette this big with good quality for $13? I will definitely be doing some looks with this. And yeah, so that is the last item that I got for myself. So like I said, all the other items are for future giveaways. The 3 items I got for myself were the glitter palettes, and then this Love Struck thanks to my husband. It was a gift from him. Other than that, guys, I am still on a no buy where I am not buying myself anything. I have been eyeing the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette at Ulta that I'm wanting to purchase for myself. But because I am on the no buy, I have not gotten myself to do it. I want to kind of hold off. I may get it after the no buy, just because I've never tried any of his products, and I thought, why not give that one a try? It's more my alley. I did go onto his website and look if any of his own palettes that are not collabed with anybody stood out to me, and none of them really did, I would say. I think there was one palette that kind of did. It's the red one with the red outside of it. I forgot what it's called, but that one kind of stood out to me. But yeah, so I know that the Morphe and Jeffree Star one is not necessarily completely his, but it is still part of him. And I thought that would be a good way to start, and it has a ton of colors. So that is kind of on my list when I get off the no buy, but I'm not 100% sure yet on that. He may even come out with some other new stuff by the time I get off the no buy, and I may want to try something at that point from his own line. But yeah, guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy these types of videos, haul videos, please give this video a thumbs up. I will leave ProFusion's website down in the description below. And don't forget as well, if you sign up for their email list, you will get a coupon for some money off. And definitely go check out their sale items and their stuff that's currently on sale, because it's a great buy and they're great affordable products. So this is going to complete this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. And until the next video, guys, I will see you later. Bye, guys.